Oh, look at them flowers down there, Rose. We've come just before closing time, so we're not going to be able to go around them all. But they do look nice.
Oh, Heron.
Huh? Heronio. Some cannons.
Let's put a big call on us.
As the wild Jimothy rolls down the hill in his natural habitat, searching for crap to smear on his clothes, passes further and further towards the water. Rose, it's gonna close and we're gonna get stuck because they shut the gates at 5 o'clock and we're late. And there's another little stream. Well, the stream's flowing down here but not into this bit, which is weird. Plenty steps down here. What we got, Rose? Water? Oh, there'll be loads of butterfish down there. That looks like her and I doing training. There he is, Woody the woodpecker in the wild. Look at him.
Can't tell which part of his face is.
On the left hand side. Hey, there he is. Cheers.
Oh, he's all right, look at that.
His name is Woody.
It's a shame I can't go into the forest now or what.
Babe, yeah. Have a look on screen. Woodpecker.
Is that the Becky?
An actual pecking wood.
Hide in ring?
Yeah.
Fine. You don't normally see them.
Oh, that was, yeah.
Woody the woodpecker doing his pecking. There he's gone.